endoscopy room, we are using utensils and accessories. So we will be talking about the endoscopy card, how to load it, what utensils are inside, and we will be talking about several tricks and tips and specifics about tools. Most of it you probably already know, but some tricks may not. So this will be a quite interesting journey. And during my entire career, in addition to having knowledge of the card that we use in the endoscopy unit, our emergency card or the regular card, I always carried a toolbox like this one. So a toolbox is essential for any endoscopist. So this toolbox will be also a topic of several series, because you will be surprised of how many elements that are in the toolbox are essential for your endoscopy unit to work perfectly. For example, if you are resecting polyps that are larger, you want to pin them on a board. So it's very important that you have needles to pin them on corks, needles of different sizes. Some may ask, what is a wire cutter doing inside of this toolbox? So down the line, you will be learning for what indications we have wire cutters in our toolbox and when do we use them. Every toolbox, you should have scissors, suturing devices, and measuring devices, rulers. Because in endoscopy, we are like fishermen. When we resect the polyp, we just say it's huge and mention the size, but fisher always exaggerate. But measuring it exactly with some